stars have died, the jungle deep, no soul inside. A whisper stirs from shadows dark, chilling whispers in the fade-eating light. Leaves begin to tremble, a cold breeze through the air. This is the tale they tell of what lurks beyond compare. The sound of the bass echoes through the sky. The sound of the bass from the depths of hell on high. The sound of the bass, it whispers fair. The sound of the bass, it comes for your life, drawing near. A scorching breath exhaled from a mouth unseen, eyes of crimson fire glowing in the dark, so keen, claws so sharp, scratch upon the ground. The dragon chains, a chilling, gruesome sound. The sound of the bass echoes through the sky. The sound of the bass from the depths of hell on high. The sound of the bass, it whispers fair. The sound of the bass, it comes for your life, drawing near. Run as fast as you can, hide where it can't find, but its sound still haunts you, rattling your mind. It's inside you now, a terror you can't undo. It's always there, watching, waiting for you. Yo, check out the air is thick with dread. Feel the static in your head. Every shadow stretches, distorted, twisted, unsaid. Words are failing, heart is pounding like a war drum beating loud. This ain't no nightmare, it's real now, tearing through the shroud. You hear the scraping, the snarling, the growl that rips the night. Paranoia building, gripping tight, losing all your fight. It's a predator's instinct, ancient primal roaring deep, breaking through your defenses. Secrets that your soul would keep. No escape, no sanctuary, just a chilling ice